If you're a student struggling with geometry, then you need to hear this. First things first, always read the question carefully. Sounds basic, but trust me, it's a game changer. Next, draw a clear and accurate diagram. A picture really is worth 1,000 words when it comes to geometry. Now label everything. All those points, lines and angles need names. It makes solving the problem way easier. Don't forget your geometry formulas. Keep them handy, like your secret weapon. Area of a triangle, Pythagorean theorem, these will save the day. Always look for patterns and relationships. Parallel lines, congruent angles, similar triangles, they can reveal hidden answers. And finally, practice, practice, practice. The more problems you solve, the sharper your skills will get. So grab a pencil and let's turn those shapes into A's. You've got this. Hit that like button if these tips helped you and subscribe for more quick study hacks.